SHOWFIELDS in Miami is located in the heart of South Beach on Lincoln Road and has 2 floors with art experiences, food and beverages, and is a space for events. The store plays host to the founders, artists, and creators of the most innovative brands and art of tomorrow. There is also a location in New York City, and it's open to the public, and there is no tour needed. SHOWFIELDS brings together the most mission-driven, design-oriented, innovative, unconventional, and relevant brands, artists, and communities from around the globe. Each room you walk into or pass by is a different experience, and they support missions such as cruelty-free, female-founded, locally made, plant-based, sustainably made, and vegan. They feature fashion brands, artists, beauty products, and have events related to art, wellness, style, food, and beauty. Some of the events include free facials, comedy shows, hit workouts, fitness boot camps, as well as acoustic sets from Miami's indie scene, so make sure to check their calendar. Also, they have a really fun slide. Is that an actual slide that you can use? Is that real?
Yeah.
I want to go on that. They also feature a juice bar called Yes Juice, offering a positive place to nourish your body, inspire your mind, and motivate with delicious bites and drinks such as jackfruit samosas, spinach croquetas, bowls and salads, pita wraps, juices, smoothies, espresso, tea, cookies, and even plant-based ice cream. You can also book corporate and social events such as press and launch events, networking, private shopping experiences, holiday parties, fashion shows, pop-up shops, product demos, film production, photo shoots, and more. You can shop online if you do not have a store near you, but the store itself is definitely worth checking out if you're in the South Beach area. Their philosophy is, we see the world through an artful lens, bringing artists, brands, events, and experiences together to bring the magic of discovery to our customers. Have you visited SHOWFIELDS? We would love for you to leave a comment about your experience, and if you can please take a second to like this video and subscribe, it will really help our channel out. Also, make sure to check out our other videos related to Miami travel and spots to visit for both locals and tourists. You can check our description for links or check our playlist titled What to Do in Miami. Okay, I'm going to slide at my own risk.